channel. So today I wanted to do something different. I wanted to do a get ready with me. I usually don't do these or ever done this in my channel. I don't think. If I have, I've probably done it with a friend, but I'm finally gonna do this alone by myself. Yay! So today I'm gonna go out with my best friend. We're gonna go to the mall, we're gonna go see a movie, and we're gonna go shopping. So I can't wait to see her, and we're gonna have lots of fun. So right now I'm just gonna get ready really quick, and yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me into this process. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so first of all, I also want to do like a first impression, since yesterday I received a package from Ulta because I did a little bit of shopping before the new year, and I just got my package yesterday, and I thought it would be perfect time to do like a review slash first impressions. So I'm really excited, guys. So here I have the Maybelline New York Dream Urban Cover. This is a foundation. Alright, so next I got the NYX Born to Glow Concealer, the Radiant Concealer. And then I also have the Makeup Revolution Duo Brow Definer. And then I have the Colourpop BFF Volumizing Mascara in shade Black on Black. Then I have the Makeup Revolution Highlighter. This is called Just My Type, and it's so pretty. Look at that. And then I got the Kylie Cosmetics High Gloss in shade Diva. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Looks like this. Super pretty. I love the applicator. Ooh, I like how big it is. I'm also gonna be using some of my own products, so if you see like some random products that I did not mention on this like little haul, they're mine, so it's okay. So first, I need to make sure my lips are moisturized. I'm gonna use the Dr. Pawpaw lip scrub and moisturizer. I'm not using the lip scrub. I'm just gonna use the moisturizer or the lip balm for today. So we're gonna start off right away with the e.l.f. Putty Poreless Putty Primer. And I already took a shower. I already moisturized and everything. So I'm just gonna apply this on my face. I think I put a little bit more. And I'm gonna shape my brows. Ooh. Comes like this. It has like a spoolie in the end. Alright, so let's do this. And I have a mirror right here, by the way. You'll see that. I like how it's super like smooth, and it doesn't like apply too much product all at once, though I don't know, it's all right. I guess I'm not used to this because it's my first time using a product like this for my brows. I always use Dip Brow for my brows. I never use like pencils and stuff, so I could do like a comparison to other brands to see which one is better. So I'm gonna use the Born to Glow Radiant Concealer. And this is in shade Honey, I think. Oh no, Vanilla. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna squeeze and see what happens. So I'm going to sculpt the brow. Ooh. It looks really good. I like the consistency. You can totally tell it's full coverage. Wow. Blend that out. Ooh, it blends out really nicely, guys. I really like it a lot. Okay, so far I really do like the concealer. And I think I got the perfect shade too, because I was scared that it was going to be too yellow or too pink, but it's actually perfect. And I'm going to go ahead and use the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Foundation with SPF 50. And I'm using shade 128 for today. It kind of looks like this. It is kind of runny and a little bit thick at the same time, so I like the consistency so far. I'm going to be applying it first with my AOA Studio high definition brush, F1. And it's just like a flat brush. And I'm just gonna stipple that and kind of build. I love it. Gonna apply more. Okay, so I really like how the foundation applied really nice with the brush. It looks amazing. I love it. I'm gonna kind of blend it a little bit more here. It looks so dewy. I love it. It looks so like, I don't know, it looks really hydrating, like looking like really fresh, and I like it so far. It's really good. I will definitely recommend this foundation. It's really good. So I'm gonna also clean up a little bit on the top of the brow right here, and I'm gonna use that foundation. So I will say I really like the foundation. Like I already said that I loved it, period. Though if you don't really like your foundation to be looking like super like looking like, I don't know, like you're oily, then I guess you can like apply less, because I feel like I did apply a little bit more like the first time. So you can first like test it out going like little by little, you know, and build it up as you go. But I did apply, I feel like I did apply a little bit too much. That looks a little bit too, not cakey. It doesn't look cakey to me. It just looks like really like oily. So if you don't like that look, try to take it easy and like go little by little. One thing I will be doing is using like a beauty sponge to kind of just even out the product. Like this sponge is from Eco Tools and it's really good. And that will kind of just, you know, press the product into the skin. So this brow is really bothering me. I feel like it's way too thick. I might just cut it down a little bit, like on the front here, just a little bit though. So hold on, be right back. Okay, so now we're gonna be finally using the concealer for my under eye. So this is like the actual test to see if it's really good or not. Ooh, the applicator is so nice. I really like this applicator. I feel like it applies concealer really nice and smooth. And this shade is really good. I like the shape. It's like the perfect shade for my under eye. Ooh. Okay, that looks really good. Like the coverage is there. It's really buildable and it's super creamy, which is perfect for me. I'm gonna apply a little bit more just to see, just like a little bit more for that extra coverage. So I'm gonna be using the NYX Born to Glow in shade Golden Honey. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys a closer look of the applicator, and it looks like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna be applying this on my face where I want to contour. So, oh, ooh. Ooh. I think this is like the perfect shade actually. Well, I don't know. Maybe we'll see when we start blending. Now this is new, of course, to me. And I really do like it. And it does blend out pretty nice. I'm just going to have to like really cut with when I do my setting powder so it could look much more cleaner. It actually looks really nice, not gonna lie. It looks actually really nice. It looks super natural. Can't really tell by the camera, but it looks super natural and I really like it. Now to contour my nose, I'm going to be using the AOA Studio High Definition Brush E110. Okay, I'm just going to use the excess product from my sponge to kind of just blend that all together. Now using my concealer, I'm just going to add a little bit to the nose because we kind of lost it there. To set my face, I'm going to be using the one and only Coty Airspun. This is in shade Translucent. I'm so smart. I'm going to use my Eco Tools Beauty Sponge. And I'm going to swipe the powder down to create that line. I'm just gonna be using some bronzer for my eyes because honestly I don't even want to do anything super like, you know, glam. I wanted to do like something super natural for today. I'm gonna use one of the brushes from Eco Tools and my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. It's freaking amazing. And this is shade Sunkissed. And then I'm gonna kind of blend that out with my Morphe M433 brush. Kind of just smooth it out. Using the Colourpop liquid liner in shade Numero Uno. Y'all, eyeliner, you cannot breathe. So sorry if I'm not talking. It's just like, it's a process. Whew! That was really hard. And I did it. Now, I'm going to be curling my lashes so we can apply that BFF mascara. This is the applicator. And I'm going to apply this on my lashes. Like, that was really good. One coat already was like, you know, this much. I'm like, baby girl, that is cute. So for lashes today, of course I'm going to be wearing lashes because I really like lashes. I'm going to be using the AliExpress. Yes, I get my lashes mostly from AliExpress. They're super cheap, super cute, and they're worth my money. So, and they're super, super, like, extra and dramatic. Look at that. These are the E1s. These are, like, my favorites. E1s. No, wait. Hold on. These are the E12s. What am I talking about? These are the E12s. I was talking about the E1s because the E1s are also my favorites. They're just more natural looking. But the E12s are, like, iconic. They're my favorite. Anyways, that looks good to me. So I have two blushes here. I have the Milani Baked Powder Blush in shade 05 Illuminoso. Looks like this. And this one is shade 02 Rose de Oro. And it's super pretty. I like to put this on top of this one. It looks really, really nice and glowy, and it's super cute. Now I'm going to use the Morphe brush M405 to put on my blush, and I like to put them on the apples of my cheeks. Then I like to put the other one on top. To give it a nice glow. So to take off the setting powder off my face, I'm going to be using the Real Techniques powder brush. This is 201 and it's super fluffy. So now I'm just going to kind of dust everything off. So I'm now going to use the Makeup Revolution highlighter in shade Just My Type. This is the Eco Tools controlled setting brush and it looks like this. Oh, she's cute. Hold on. Ooh. I'm also gonna do it on the bridge of my nose. Cupid's bow. A little bit on my chin. Brow bone. So for lips, I'm going to be using this lip gloss by Kylie Cosmetics, shade Diva. She's cute. It kind of looks like the lip gloss that I have from Colourpop, shade Aquarius. It kind of looks like this one, but this one is more sheer. Now to set my face, I'm going to be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And this setting spray is amazing. I love this setting spray. Freaking love this setting spray. It just leaves your face really looking dewy and it's just like wow. Oh, and before I forget, let me apply some mascara under my eye, lower lash. Oh gosh, I'm scared. Like this always happens to me. Like I always like create a mess. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I am obsessed. Wow. I'm really like liking this a lot. This could be like my new makeup routine, like everyday makeup routine. Oh yeah, definitely. Hey guys, so I wasn't planning to do this, but since this is kind of like a review, I was like, you know what, why not? So I wanted to see how my makeup would hold on throughout the day, and I just came home from the mall. And so far it looks pretty good. I do look a little bit shiny. The nose, like the foundation that I had on my nose, or every product that I had on my nose, like is gone. That's also because my nose gets really oily anyways, so that's one of the reasons too. My foundation looks still pretty good. Highlight popping still. My eyebrows look pretty good too for the most part. And yeah, and I put my hair up so you can guys see the full thing in action. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what is one makeup product you cannot live without, and let me know. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye!